Hello everyone, this is Dr. Karuna Akshay Malviya, Director, DY Patil Deemed University School of Law. Through innovative teaching, learning at School of Law, we are transforming the legal education by introducing the scientific method and case law methods in the curricula of our students. The teaching learning at School of Law involves hands-on practical experience to students. We are involving students in legal and clinic. We are giving them multidisciplinary internship opportunity which expose them to the industry. At DY Patil University School of Law, we are adopting different teaching methodologies like Socrates method, case method, flipped classrooms, problem-based learning, simulation exercises like mock trials, moot courts, collaborative learning, and so on. The learning outcome from our curricula at DY Patil University School of Law has diversified legal knowledge, critical and analytical thinking, legal skills, professionalism, ethical awareness, global competence, collaborative competence, problem-based learning, and so on. We at the DY Patil Deemed University School of Law excel in education with world-class facilities. We have art of structure, campus. We have international standard with good rooms. We have best faculties. We have a distinguished advisory board. We have best of best placements and internship opportunity for the student. The curricula is specially designed to give a hands-on experience to the student with experiential teaching.